Hello everyone, it's Laura. So today I'm going to share an update with my 50 Shades of Green project pan. This is a Fantastic Ladies collab project and it was created by Jessica, Amanda, and Cece. And in this project we're working on 50 green items. So for this update I actually have 8 items finished, which is pretty good. The first thing, which is really exciting, is I finished this Wet n Wild Tinted Hydrator. So this is in the shade Fair. I really liked this. Once I get through all of my foundations, I would definitely consider buying this again. Next, I finished this lip balm from e.l.f. This is the Calm Balm. And there's still some like in the plastic, but I decided I don't need to dig. I'm all set. And I did enjoy that lip balm. I would also consider getting that again. I finished this aloe from the brand Walgreens, and yeah, that was good. Good for if you have burns, but I was just using it to get it used up because I don't usually get burns, so it would just be sitting around forever. Plus it was green, and I need 50 items, so I thought, why not? I finished my deodorant. This is a Degree deodorant, and I did not really like this one. I prefer there's a different one from Degree that I like better. I think it's more of like a sport kind or something. It's a bit stronger. This one it doesn't really do much to help, especially in the summer. Like I can start to smell pretty ripe towards the end of the day, so I don't really like that deodorant. I finished up these Garnier Frutis shampoo and conditioner. They're okay. They did the job. Nothing amazing. I also finished up this face wash from Pond's. I got this from the Dollar Tree. I did not like this. I couldn't use it like around the eye area because it stung really bad, and also it smells like some kind of kitchen seasoning herb type situation, like rosemary or something like that, which I'm not really a huge fan of when it comes to skincare. And the last thing I was able to finish was this shaving cream, which I really like this kind, the Pure Silk. I like it because the bottle doesn't rust, whereas, what's it called, Skintimate, I feel like every time I've used Skintimate in the past, the bottle gets super rusty and I hate it. And I try to just use soap to shave my legs, but I just never feel like it's as good as when I use shaving cream. So I decided to go back and use shaving cream. So I would definitely buy that again. Okay, let me show you the other things I've been making progress on. So I've had this oil in since I think the beginning, and I took a break from it because I was using the aloe during the summer, but now that that's finished, I've gotten back to this. So in the past month, I've only used it a few times, so I don't think there's really any progress to show there. The next thing, which has a lot of progress, is this body wash from Bath & Body Works. This is the Hello Beautiful scent, and it smells nice. Nothing I'm crazy about. So I'm down to here. I'm almost done. I think another month or two, and this will be done. And the last 2 things I have are these nail polishes from OPI. I have Jade is the New Black, and I don't remember what this one's called because the sticker fell off. I didn't use them a single time this last month. I don't even think I painted my nails at all this last month. This last month was really busy for me. Like my work started up again, and then I was really scrambling to get all my schoolwork for school done, and then I was preparing for my husband to come, and then I had problems with my cats again, and just like it's been one thing after another, so I just have barely even had time to make dinner, no less paint my nails. So yeah, it is what it is. So since I finished 8 items, I'm going to bring in 8 more. So the first thing I'm going to bring in is a primer from Wet n Wild. This is the cucumber one. So when I hold it up to the light, it's about halfway, like right here. And I'm also going to be bringing in the setting spray, the cucumber one. Can't really tell where it is, but I've only used this a few times, so if I had to guess, I would say it's still probably near the top. I'm going to bring in a face wash from CeraVe. This is the Acne Control Cleanser, just a sample. I haven't used this, so it is full. I'm going to bring in this hand cream from O'Keeffe's. This is by far the best hand cream I have ever used. I used it a lot last winter. My hands were really bad last winter, and this helped a lot. I would put it on before I went to bed, and when I would wake up in the morning, my hands were really soft. I also like that it doesn't have a strong fragrance. I don't know why, but I just don't like having fragrance on my hands. When I can smell fragrance on my hands, it just really bothers me. Also, I feel like since I'm the kind of person who has skin issues like eczema, severe dry skin, like typically scented lotions just don't do anything for me anyway. They're not really meant to heal your skin. They're just, I think, more of like the experience. So anyway, I much prefer this. I don't really care if it's not the most flashy thing. It works. I like it. So I'm going to put that in. Like I said, I did use it a lot last winter, so I would say it's probably about halfway, like maybe around here. Can't really tell when I hold it up to the light, but I think that's about where it is. And the last 4 things I'm going to bring in are more samples that have been kicking around our bathroom. So I have a shampoo from Paul Mitchel, and this like is practically empty. It's like down to here, so that probably only has 1 use in it. And then I have 2 conditioners from Paul Mitchel, and these have been used too. I would say they're probably both about halfway. And then the other thing is this body lotion from Paul Mitchel. This is the Lemon Sage Energizing Body Lotion. And I don't think this has ever been used. It feels really full. So far in this project, last update I had finished a total of 20 products. I finished at 8 more for this one. So far I have finished a total of 28 products out of 50. So getting there. I feel pretty optimistic that I can get to 50. I just have to find. I think the problem for me is just actually finding 50 green items. Just trying to find anything that has even the littlest bit of green on it, because I definitely don't think I have 50 green items. But we'll see. I still have some squirreled away. We'll see how it goes. That's everything. I'll see you next time. Bye.